Hello and welcome to another AIC video. Today I'm going to be showing how to open up a Gateway Solo 5300. I'll show you that here. 5300. So I'm doing this because I could not find a good video online about how to open this up. I actually have two of them here. We have this one right here that's currently installing Windows XP, and this one I bought this used off of eBay. Obviously used, it's quite old. My son, I got him set up with his compact Armada, and he loves it and has really been enjoying it. Well, my daughter's birthday is coming up, and of course, what does she want? A computer for herself to also make games on RPG Maker stuff. So I bought her a very similar spec, a little bit different design, but I think same CPU speeds, memory, stuff like that. So we going to get her up and going. Now I'm just installing Windows XP on this one to test it. On this one to test it because I have an IDE SSD coming in, but I want to make sure this one's working well before I put that money into it. And it seems to be working pretty good. Now I bought this from on eBay from a group, East Coast Recycling. I'll put their link in the video description. When I first got it, the one I got was having some problems with power issues, which now seems to be resolved. And so they sent me one that has a broken screen, but was not having the power issues. So they sent me one for spare parts, let me do the work myself, and I'm happy with how they resolve that situation. But like I said, I want to go ahead and open this up and show you what we are working with. Now, I will say that I was pretty happy with the end result. So, and how easy it is to open this guy up. So first things first, this is where the hard drive goes. Obviously, they didn't send me an additional hard drive because I'm not having problems with that. So that is in the other laptop, but there's just one screw here and it just pulls out. Battery has also been removed because I do not trust batteries that are 20 plus years old. So that has also been removed. There's just a latch here that you push and that pops the battery up. Now the next thing we want to remove is the CD-ROM drive. As simple as that. There's a latch here, pops out, no screws. Now for the RAM and cover for the network card, I think it's a network and modem card, you do not need to remove these to get in here to open this up. So we won't remove those this time. I do have a little bowl here to put the screws into. There's quite a few of them, so let's get going. I just have a number 0 Phillips on here. Pretty simple. All these screws, fortunately, are the same length and same screw. Now these first two I'm removing are for the keyboard. So we will have to remove the keyboard to finish the taking the two halves apart. I'll go over that here in just a second, and then we'll just work our way around. I apologize if I'm a little awkward doing this. I am doing it around my camera here, so. You don't have one of these desk mats, I highly recommend you pick one up. I know a lot of YouTubers are selling them. I don't sell one. I'll link to the one I have on eBay, on Amazon. But it sure makes doing stuff like this headache free because you're not worried about scratching nothing up as I move around. All right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. I believe we are good to go. Yep. So everything should come apart now, except we have one more screw to do. So we're going to very carefully open this up because the whole chassis kind of flexes. And you're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and there's just a little notch, kind of hard to see in the camera, but there's just a little notch here and here. Lift that up, and then, come on. Sorry, I can't see it. Right there, it looks like. There we go. And that lifts up, and there's one ribbon cable right there. Lift up on the latch. And then that pops out. Now, this is a screw that buggered me up and I couldn't find it. There's a screw right down in that hole. Lucky number 13. Now, you need to take out this cable here and this cable here, but this now lifts away from the system. There's the thing there for the monitor, and now we are free except for those two cords. I'm not going to take those apart right now just because I'm going to put this right back together again. You'll need to pop these up to be able to plug this back in for the monitor cable. This doesn't need to be lifted up. But yeah, that's basically it. That's all you really got to do to get it apart. Super quick, super simple. Now, I will say that there's not a lot of reason to do this unless you're replacing the halves. So if you have a good motherboard and a bad screen, and a good motherboard, you know, if you need to mix match systems, this is very easy to do. As far as upgrades and stuff, the hard drive is just right out here in the front. There's just a thing that goes here. CD-ROM is removable. You cannot remove the heat sink, so there's no reason to try to repaste it. I don't know how it's attached, but I felt like I was going to break something trying to pull that off. Maybe if you have a bad trackpad or something, but overall, this system is fairly easy to disassemble, though unless you're swapping out a major component like the screen or the system board, not a lot of reason to do it. Now, I did not take the screen apart because, again, I just swapped these pieces out, and that was as far as I needed to go. If you have any questions, comments, or thoughts, leave those down in the description down below. I'll do my best to answer. Hopefully I answer somebody's question down the line. Obviously, assembly is just the reverse of that. This video is less than 8.5 minutes long, so very quick to disassemble, very easy to disassemble, and hopefully that answers some questions. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.